number 1, determine the value of the following. Now come to the solution. Roman 1, log 5 to the base 25. Log 5 to the base 25. Here you can know the formula log a to the base b power m is equal to 1 by m log a to the base b. This is the formula we have to remind. So what we have here, log a to the base b power m is equal to 1 by m log a to the base b. And whenever you have in the base power, that power will come into the denominator before the logarithm. Before the logarithm. Now in the first one you can see log 5 to the base 25. You can write log 5. This 25 you can write 5 square. You can write 5 square. So you can observe compared to this in terms of m, what we have here 2. So this power of 2 will come into the before the log in the denominator. So that is 1 by 2 log 5 to the base 5. What is the log 5 to the base 5 is 1. Suppose that is equal to 1 by 2 of 1, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now come to second one. Roman 2 log 3 base 81 is equal to log 3. 81 you can write 3 power 4. 3 power 4. So here also same formula. It will come 1 by 4 of log 3 to the base 3. Log 3 to the base 3 is 1. So that is 1 by 4 of 1, that is equal to 1 by 4. Now come to the third one. So log 1 by 16 base 2. Now you can write this log 1 by 16 means 16 you can write 2 power 4. That you have to, otherwise you can write 1 by 2 power 4 base 2. That is equal to log. This 2 power 4 you have to bring into numerator. That will comes 2 power minus 4 to the base 2. So this log a to the power of m to the base 10 is equal to m log a. Okay, now you can write here minus 4 log 2 the base 2. Log 2 base 2 into 1. Minus 4 of 1, that is equal to minus 4. Here this 4 will come into the before the logarithm. Okay, now fourth one. What is the fourth one? Log 1 to the base 7. So log 1 to the any base is 0. That's all. Directly you can write. Come to the fifth one. Log root x to the base x. This you can write log x power of to the base x. So 1 by 2 come into the before. 1 by 2 log x to the base x. Log x to the base x is 1. 1 by 2 of 1, that is 1 by 2. Now come to the sixth one. Log 512 base 2 is equal to log 512 you can write 2 power 9 base 2. So 9 into log 2 base 2, because here log a power m, m log a, 9 you will come in before to the logarithm. So log 2 the base 2 is 1. So 9 into 1, that is equal to 9. Now come to seventh one. Come to seventh one. Log 0.01 to the base 10. This you can write log 0.01, what we can write 1 by 100 to the base 10. So this you can write log 100 means 10 square. This you can write 10 power minus 2 base 10. So that you have to bring into before minus 2 of log 10 to the base 10. Log 10 to the base 10 is 1 and minus 2. Now come to the eighth one. Log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. This you can write log, what we can write? This is 2 by 3 whole power 3. 2 cube means 8. 3 cube means 27. So 8 by 27 you can write 2 by 3 whole cube to the base 2 by 3. So that power 3 you have to bring into before 3 into log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. What is log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3 is 1. So that is equal to 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. Now come to the ninth one. 2 power 2 plus log of 3 base 2. This you can write 2 power 2 into 2 power log 3 base 2. Because the bases are equal, power should be added, means you will get this only. 2 square means 4. Okay, now a power log n to the base a is equal to n. And that means this you will get 3. 4 3 is 12. Here we are using the formula a power log n to the base a is equal to n. This is the formula we used here. Okay.